Hello kids, let's learn colors name. Yellow color, which color kids? Yellow. Green color, which color kids? Green. Light green color, which color kids? Light green. Violet color, which color kids? Violet. Orange color, which color kids? Orange. Light blue color, which color kids? Light blue. Brown color, which color kids? Brown. Red color, which color kids? Red. Blue color, which color kids? Blue. Pink color, which color kids? Pink. White color, which color kids? White. Black color, which color kids? Black. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.